Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you 4 exercises for the legs which you can do on the cable machine. So our first exercise is a sissy squat. In this I have used the straighter handle, the straight bar handle of the cable machine, and I have put my knees behind that bar. My legs are hip width apart. I have set the machine on the heaviest weight so that the cable does not move forward and back every time I move up and down. From here, I exhale and come up, extend my hips completely, squeeze my hips completely, and all through the movement, I keep pulling myself back so that my knees don't move forward and back, and it's only my hips which go back and come up. Now, the second exercise is for hip abduction. Now, in this, I have used the cuff style of attachment of the cable machine and have put that on the outer leg. Now, as you can see, the second leg is slightly behind the cable so that I have a staggered stance. Now, important point in this is that back leg heel and even this active leg heel are both down. So heel will not lift up in this. So I exhale and come up, lift this leg, inhale and come down. Now, because this heel is not coming up, my torso is bending a little bit more, and I have to continue working on the balance because of this leg lift. Now, this third exercise, as you can see, the cuff is on the inside leg, and in this the other leg heel is lifted up. So every time I will sit down, this heel will come up. That gives me that range of motion to come down fully, and it lets me keep my torso also upright. So this exercise will also work a little bit on the calf. The previous exercise brings more of the ankle mobility, challenges the flexibility of the calf, whereas in this it is about the strength of the calf. So same way, exhale, come up and pull that leg in. That is adduction, which works on the inner thigh. And now, as you can see, inhale, I come down and I lift the other leg's heel up. This leg's heel stays down like this. So our last exercise is a single leg cable pull through. In this, as you can see, I have put my one foot on a stool behind. You can put it on a bench or any other furniture. The second leg is slightly forward, and the cable is coming through in between my legs. You can take the rope attachment for this. And in this exercise, the movement is only a hip hinge movement, and there is no movement from the arms or shoulder. So this is how you will do. Inhale, prepare, exhale and come up. So every time I come up, I extend my hips completely, squeeze my glutes. Inhale, I go down slowly with control, pushing my hips back. Exhale, come up with power and extend my hips like this. You can do 10 reps or more for every exercise. Make sure all the single limb exercises you repeat on the other leg as well. So that was our video on leg workout around the world. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to press the like button and do subscribe to the channel with the post notifications on so that you come to know every time I post a new video. So I shall see you soon with another such video. Until then, take good care. Bye-bye.